builds a drive people. These workers are building a tall chimney at the factory. This worker is an expert in his field. It levels the floor and makes it very even. These workers are building a road. To do this, they use a concrete mix and regulate pipe. These girls work on the packaging of cosmetics products. These girls work in a weaving factory. She works standing up all day. These girls work in construction. She is strong like men. To build a house, these workers create clay bricks. These bricks are handmade. They are even sent for sale. This is a clean, eco-friendly brick. This is how builders paint walls, rapid staining method. This is people walk in the water. This is how fish are caught in the big. This job is very hard. This girl has very fast hands. This is weaving factory. This machine cuts bamboo into pieces. These builders are masters of the craft. They not only lay out the wall with a stone and break the stone into pieces. It takes a lot of physical power to break a stone into pieces.